The all-new Volvo XC70 did not just arrive with spec sheets and promises, it showed its work. At the China National launch, Volvo rolled a freshly crashed test car onto the stage and let the wreckage tell the story. You could see how the passenger cell held its shape after a brutal center pole impact at 50 kilometers per hour. The strike bit into the A-pillar and the sill, yet the doors still opened and the glass stayed in place. That is the point Volvo wanted to make. Safety is not a brochure claim, it is metal, welds, and structure doing their job when everything goes wrong. They also recreated a tougher-than-usual head-on scenario. An XC70 and an XC90 meet in a 50% offset at 64 kilometers per hour each, a 128 kilometers per hour closing speed that is far nastier than a lab cart. The front rails and crush boxes folded in a controlled way, keeping the cabin square. Inside, dummies of different sizes recorded low readings where it mattered most. The high voltage system isolated in about 50 milliseconds, and the car automatically unlocked so first responders could work fast. Standing next to the twisted front end, the engineering choices made sense. Load paths are not marketing, they are quiet routes that save people. If you care about family trips, wet roads, or the mistakes that happen in real life, this is the kind of proof you want to see. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you do not miss the next deep dive.